Now we will discuss first question. Which one of the following leukocyte is phagocytic and has clear cytoplasm? And the options are eosinophil, monocyte, T lymphocyte and basophil. In these questions, the right option is option B. Now we will discuss question number 2. Which one of the following techniques can be used for detecting the subcellular localization of serotonin receptor in intact cell? And the options are immunoelectron microscopy, SDS PAGE, fluorescence in situ hybridization, differential centrifugations. In these options, the right options is A. Now we will discuss question number 3. Which one of the following is not a site for in situ conservations? And the options are Biosphere Reserve, Wildlife Sanctuary, Zoological Garden, Biodiversity Hotspot. In these questions, the right option is option C. Now we will discuss question number 4. Which one of the following is the precursor molecule for corticosteroids? And the options are androgen, estrogen, pregnenolone, mineralocorticoid. In this question, the right option is option C. Now we will discuss question number 5. Transitional epithelia is found in which one of the following organs? And the options are liver, lung, brain, urinary bladder. In this question, the right option is option D. Now we will discuss question number 6. Visual signal transduction cascade is activated by rhodopsin and involves degradation rather than synthesis of which one of the following secondary messenger molecules? And the options are CAMP, IP3, CGMP, DAG. In this question, the right option is option C. Now we will discuss question number 7. The genome of both human and Drosophila code for an amylase that act on the same substrate. However, the sequence of nucleotides in the gene encoding the two is dissimilar. This is an example of which one of the following type of evolution, and the options are neutral, directional, convergent and divergence. In this question, the right option is C. Now we will discuss question number 8. Round dance is performed by forager bees to indicate the distance between a food source and their colony. Now the question is which one of the following best represents this distance? In these questions, the options are 45 meter, 450 meter, 1000 meter and more than 2000 meter. In this question, the right answer is option A. Now we will discuss question number 9. Which one of the following phyla have conocytes? And the options are Ctenophora, Nematoda, Neraria and Porifera. In these questions, the right option is option D. Now we will discuss question number 10. Which one of the following glial cell is not derived from the ectoderm? And the options are astrocytes, microglial cells, oligodendrocytes, and aphendyma. In these questions, the right option is option B. Now we will discuss question number 11. Tarantulas and mosquitoes both belong to the phyla Arthropoda. Which one of the following represent the correct number of legs in the respectively? And the options are 6 and 6, 6 and 8, 8 and 8, 8 and 6. In this question, the right answer is option D. Now we will discuss question number 12. Match the following subcellular organelles in column 1 and associated function in column 2. In column 1, the subcellular organelles are nucleus, peroxisomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies. And in column 2, its functions are glycoprotein biosynthesis, oxidation of fatty acid and amino acid, protein trafficking, and ribosome biogenesis. Now, after right arrangement of column 1 with respect to column 2, the correct option is option C. Now we will discuss question number 13. Match the following genetic disorder in column 1 and associated typical chromosomal changes mentioned in column 2. In column 1, Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Cry-Duchat syndrome. And in column 2, the chromosomal changes 45 XO type, 5p minus, 47 XSY type, trisomy 21. After right arrangement of column 1 and column 2, we get the answer. And the right option is in question number 13 is option D. Now we will discuss question number 14. Match the following components listed in column 1 with their respective organs in column 2. In column 1, the components are endoleaf, vitreous humor, vas deferens, corpus luteum. And in column 2, the organs are testis, ear, ovary, and eye. After right arrangement of column 1, column 2, the answer is option A. Now we will discuss question number 15. Match the following digestive enzyme in column 1 with their respective functions in column 2. In column 1, the options are eripsin, strypsin, pepsin, and enterokinase. In column 2, the functions converts protein to peptides, activates trypsinogen to trypsin, converts fat into fatty acid and glycerol, and convert polypeptide to amino acid. After right arrangement of column 1 with respect to column 2, the right option is B. Now we will discuss question number 16. Which one of the following graphs represent the relationship between particular end diastolic volume and cardiac output in a healthy adult individual at rest, indicated by solid line, and upon exercise, indicated by dotted lines? And the options are as follows. You may observe the picture. The right answer of question number 16 is option A. Now, we'll discuss question number 17. Match the household insect vectors in column 1 with their associated disease in column 2. In column 1, the options are kissing bug, sandfly, grapefly, oriental rat flea. And in column 2, the options are bubonic plague, tularemia, Chagas disease and Kala-Azar. After right arrangement column 1 with respect to column 2, the right option is option D. Now we will discuss question number 18. Match the proteins in column 1 with the organs in their which they are maximally expressed in column 2. In column 1, the options are keratin, surfactants, procarboxypeptidases and albumin. And column 2, liver, pancreas, lung and skin. After right arrangement in this question, we got the answer. And the right option is option C. Now we will discuss question number 19. The graph below shows the activity of enzyme pepsin in the presence of inhibitors alphatic alcohols indicated by P or N-acetyl 1-phenylalanine indicated by Q. Now the question is, which one of the following represents the nature of inhibition by P and Q respectively? After observing the graph, the options are non-competitive and competitive, competitive and non-competitive, non-competitive and uncompetitive, competitive and uncompetitive. In this question, the right option is option B. Now we will discuss the question number 20. In Drosophila, the red eye phenotype W indicated by W is dominant over the recessive white eye mutant indicated by small w. In a mixed population of red and white eye fleas of 10,000 individuals, 3,600 flies were white-eyed. The percentage of the heterozygous red eye flies in this population is, the answer will be 48.